Times secondhand. Decoding the tick marks. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very practical topic: reading time on an analog clock. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to read the second hand, particularly when it's on the tick marks. Let's get started. Analog clocks have a distinctive, classic design. You'll see 2 or 3 hands that move around a face marked with numbers from 1 to 12. These hands are the hour hand, the minute hand, and, in many cases, the second hand. The second hand is usually the thinnest and fastest moving of the 3. It completes a full circle around the clock every 60 seconds. Now, let's look at the tick marks. You'll see these small lines around the edge of the clock face. They divide the circle into equal parts. Typically, you'll find 60 tick marks on an analog clock, 1 for each second in a minute. The longer marks, often at every 5 tick marks, represent minutes. To read the second hand when it's on the tick marks, you simply need to count the tick marks. Start from the top of the clock, which represents 0 seconds, and count the marks clockwise until you reach the second hand. That number tells you how many seconds have passed within the current minute. Let's do a quick exercise. If the second hand is on the 15th tick mark, it means 15 seconds have passed. If it's on the 30th tick mark, that's 30 seconds, or half a minute. If it's on the 45th tick mark, that's 45 seconds, and when it reaches the top again, a full minute, or 60 seconds, has passed. And there you have it. Now you know how to read the second hand of an analog clock when it's on the tick marks. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to tell time accurately down to the second. Remember, each tick mark represents 1 second and you start counting from the top of the clock. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next lesson in the English language learning series. Until then, happy learning!